Hello everyone. My name is Amruta Kore, and today I'm going to discuss a very important and very interesting topic from mathematics, that is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, it is the word which is combinations of two input. First one is the algebraic, second one is the expression. I will first tell you what is expression and then I will go for algebraic. Okay. So on the screen we will able to see that there is one equation I have written. 3x plus 1 is equals to 10. In this equation there is a one equality sign. What is meaning of this equality sign? The meaning of this equality sign is that we have to put the value of x such that we will get the output as a 10. So what we can put here? We can put here x is equals to only 3. Then and then only we will get the output as equal to 10. Without putting x is equals to 3, it's impossible to get the 10. So this is the meaning of equality sign, that is both the sides should be equal, and this is known as equation. Equation, it is mainly consist of equality sign, but the expression has not such any equality sign or anything. So expression is without having any equality sign. In the expression we can put x as anything. X we can put anything like x is equals to 1, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 3. Anything we can put at the place of x. So this is the expression that doesn't mean any equality sign. Okay. So in such expressions there are again two types. First one is the algebraic expression, second one is the numeric expression. We can see here there is algebraic expression. In the algebraic expression there is one term, that is a. Here at the a can be replaced by anything. There is no any such conditions that we have to put a is equals to 1 or a is equals to 2. There is no any such condition. We can put anything and we can replace a by anything, any value. But there is one more thing, that is numeric expression. In the numeric expression, at the place of a I have put 1. That is, in numeric expressions there is no any such variable, there is no any such a quantity that we can replace it. So these all are only numbers. This is a numeric expression. And in algebraic expression there is even a quantity which is unknown. There we can put anything and we will get a different outputs. Okay. So this is the main difference between the algebraic expression and the numeric expression. And now we will go to the second part, that is what is exactly then algebraic expression. So algebraic expression, it contains at least one variable, operation and a constant. So algebraic expression is formed by combining constants and variables with the help of addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. Okay. For the better understanding purpose I have taken one example, 20x plus 4. In the 20x plus 4, 20 is first multiplied with x and then 4 is added to it. In second example, 14y minus 2, 14 is multiplied with y, then 2 is subtracted from it. Okay. So this is the algebraic expression, which is the combination of addition and multiplication in the first example, and in second example it is combinations of multiplication and subtraction. Okay. So algebraic expression can also be the expression by combining variables with themselves or variables with other variables. Means m into m we can do, or also we can do like m into n. There is no. Now we have to go for types of an algebraic expression. Okay. Basically there are 4 types of algebraic expression. First one is the monomial. So monomial is the type of an algebraic expression which is consist of only one single term. That is, examples are 18ab is the one expression which is consist of only one term, that is 18ab, and other example is 4x. Okay, so there is one more type, binomial. What is the binomial? The binomial is simply a type of an algebraic expression which consists of two different terms. Here we can see example 5xy plus 2, 2ab plus 3. 5xy plus 2, it is the combinations of two different terms, 5xy and 2. And 2ab plus 3 is the combinations of two different terms, 2ab and 3. So now we go for third type, trinomial. So trinomial, it is the type of the algebraic expressions which consist of three different terms. Okay, here you can see there is one example 18a square plus 2ab plus 3, which consists of three different terms, 18a square, 2ab and 3. And this is called as a trinomial because it consists of three different terms. Now we go for the last type of the algebraic expressions, that is the polynomial. Okay, so polynomial, it is a type of algebraic expressions that has one or more than one terms. It has no any fixed terms. It may be consist of one term, more than one term. So all the types which we have seen, binomial, monomial, trinomial, are all comes under the type polynomial. Okay, so here example also I have given 5xy plus 2ab plus 2x plus 3. So this is the example of polynomial which consists of four terms. Okay, so polynomial has no any fixed terms. It may be have any number of terms. So this is nothing but polynomial, and this is the last point of our session.